No problem. Good morning, students. I was talking
Good
about
morning.
the problems on representation of one signal in terms of other signal. The 1 minute.
Not clarity.
Oh yeah, I know. Just one second, network issue. wait for few minutes. It's a network issue, I think. So speed is very less. That's why it's showing that. I'll as soon as the network is right, I'll start. Okay, wait for few minutes. Good morning, students. There was a network issue. Couldn't able to join. Okay. Anyhow, we shall move on to few more problems on this. Problems on representing one signal in terms of other signal. Okay. So we can go for that. So one more problem. It may be of this sort. Problem number 118. Something like this if you take it. 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is your x of t. Represent x of t in terms of g of t. G of t may be from um, -2 to -1, let us say. So how to represent this? Once again, we split this one. -3 to 2. Let us g1 of t. And -2 to 1. -2 to 1. 1. This is 1. G2 of last one. -1 to 0. G3 of x of t is equal to g1 of t plus g2 of t plus g3 of t. Okay, right. So how to do this? This is your g of t. Okay, right. So now, so what is to do? G1 of t. So g1 of t can be represented as what? G of at minus b. Okay, right. So now first you go for the width. Width of g of t. -1, -2 to -1 means 1. Width of g of t is 1. Width of g1 of t. Width of g1 of t is -3 to 2 is 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 5. A is equal to 1 by 5. Next, midpoint of uh, g of t is equal to, what is the midpoint here? So this is the midpoint. So -3 by 2, -1.5, -3 by 2, -3 by 2. Midpoint of g1 of t is equal to, midpoint of g1 of t is what? So this is 1, this is 0, this is -2, this is -1. So this is minus of, so this is 0, this is -1, between that is minus of. So midpoint of g1 of t is minus of. Okay. So now what is that we should do? At minus b should be equal to this midpoint, midpoint of g of t. It should be equal to midpoint of g of t, -3 by 2. And a is how much? 1 by 5. And this should be minus half, minus b is equal to -3 by 2. Everywhere minus is there. You multiply by minus sign. So 1 by 10. B is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 10. So LCM is 10. So 15 minus 1, 14 by 10. Okay, right? What is the LCM? 10. We can go for 2, 5 times 1. Yeah. What is that we have? 2 5 times 15, correct. So 10, 10, 1 is 14, 14. So here 5 times 7, 7 by 5. Therefore, G1 of t is equal to G of 1 by 5t minus 7 by 5. Okay. Now, go for the G2 of t is what is that? Width, width of width of G of t is 1. Width of G2 of t is equal to width of G2 of t is what? 1, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. Therefore, A is equal to 1 by 3. Midpoint of midpoint of midpoint of G midpoint of G of t is minus 3 by 2. Midpoint of G2 of t is equal to midpoint of G2 of t is what? Same thing, minus of only. Minus of. Therefore, A is 1 by 3. T is where we wanted to shift, minus of minus b is equal to center of G of t is minus 3 by 2. Multiply by minus sign on both sides. Okay, right. 1 by 6. Therefore, d is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 6. So 6 and 2 LCM. Okay, 6 only. So 3 times 3 is 9. So and 6 means it is 1. 8 by 6. 8 by 6, which is 4 by 3. Therefore, G2 of t is nothing but G of A 1 by 3t minus 4 by 3. That's how we should do. Next, G3 of t. Width of G of t is 1. Width of G3 of t. Width of G3 of t is how much? The last one, that is also 1. So therefore, scaling is not required. That's why A is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Next, midpoint of G of t is minus 3 by 2. Midpoint of G3 of t is minus of only. Once again, if you see this, the midpoint is minus of only. Okay, right. So therefore, A1 t is where you wanted to shift. I wanted to shift to minus, or center point to be at. AT minus B is equal to, from where? Minus 3 by 2, sorry, minus 3 by 2. Multiply by minus sign. So therefore, B is equal to 3 by 2 minus half. So is 1. 1 and half minus 1 is half is 1. So B is equal to 1. Therefore, G3 of T is equal to G3 of T is equal to G multiply. G3 of T is equal to G of A 1 into T minus 1. Okay. Sir, what is the guarantee that this answer is correct? You can verify all the answers, so all the earlier problems also. One problem, for this problem, will give the verification of answer. If you have any doubts whether, sir, if you do this much scaling and shifting, are you going to get the answer? You can verify that. Verification, how to do? That means take the original signal, that is g of t, and shift and scale. You should get the whatever you want, right? For example, verification of g1 of t, we'll do it. First you take g of t. G of t is ranging from where to where? -2 to -1. Okay, right. -2 to -1. This is your g of t. Now, we got the answer as what? G of g1 of t. We all know that g of, I got the answer as 1 by 5t minus 7 by 5. Okay. So now I have taken the g of t, shift by 7 by 5. Oh, correct. Shift right by 7 by 5 means add 7 by 5 to each of them. That means -2 plus 7 by 5 -1 plus 7 by 5. What will you get? 5 into 2 is 10. -10 plus 7. -10 plus 7 is -3. -3 by 5. 5 -5 plus 7 is 2 by 5. -7. Sorry, -5 plus 7 is 2 by 5, correct. So this is 2 by 5. So t is equal to -3 by 5. T is equal to 2 by 5. We got it. So shifting, scaling. Next, this is shift. Next is scale it. You should get the answer. You should get the scale. Scale by what? 1 by 5t. 1 by 5t. 1 by 5t is equal to -3 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. T is equal to -3. And this right edge, what is that? 1 by 5t is equal to 2 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. T is equal to 2. You check the answer. Left edge is at -3, right edge is at 2. You can go back to the original problem. You see that left edge is at -3, right edge is at 2. That means if you do the shifting and scaling, see this much, you see this, g1 of t is equal to g of 1 by 5t minus 7 by 5 now. So if you take a g of t, if you take g of t and shift by 7 by 5 to the right and the scale by 1 by 5, you will get back the original sequence. One more verification I will do it. G2 of t. Okay, right. G2 of t is nothing but equal to, what is the problem? G2 of t, answer is g of 1 by 3t. G of 1 by 3t minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Okay. So I'll take g of t and first I'll shift it. Okay. G of t is from where to where? -2 to -1. -2 to -1. Now I'll shift right by 4 by 3. If you want to shift right by 4 by 3, add 4 by 3 to each of them. Plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Automatically it will be shifted to right. -3 into 2. 3 into 2 is -6. -6 plus 4 is -2 by 3. -3 plus 4 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So t is equal to -2 by 5. T is equal to 1 by 3. Now you scale it. 1 by 3 t is equal to -2 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. T is equal to -2. 1 by 3 t is equal to 1 by 3. T is equal to 1. You can check it out. Left edge is at -2. In the G2 of t, left edge is at -2. Right edge is at 1. We can verify that. Okay, right? -2 and 1. Okay. Right. The last one is the very simple one. G3 of t is nothing but g of t minus 1. G of t minus 1 is nothing but what? Shift right by 1 unit. Okay. Take the original signal. Shift right by 1 unit means what? -2 plus 1. -2 plus 1 is, what is this one? We said g of t minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is -1. And -1 plus 2. -2 plus 1 is 0. Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. There is a mistake here. Third one, G3 of t. G of t minus 1 only. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, it is correct. G of t minus 1. Shift right by 1 unit. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Yes, it is right. Minus 1. And minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 is 0. You get G3 of t is ranging from minus 1 to 0. It is right. Okay, right? So all the three you can verify it. So whatever the problems I did so far, all of them you can verify it. Okay. Now let us see few of the examination problems. 1 minute. Latest examination problem. Okay. Latest is 2021 lay. Latest is 2021 lay. The question is so on this first module, what and all the questions we have? Given the signal, this one, this is from January 2020. Given the signal, yes, given like this, and this is 2 minus 2. Actually, has given 2, it is 2 minus 2. This is 0, this is 2, this is 2. X of t. Find x of 2t plus 2 and x of t by 2 minus 1. A similar kind of problem already I did it, you can verify it. And this question was asked for 8 marks. Okay, right. One more question. You can try out. If you are not getting it, you can tell me in the next class. I'll do it. One more problem. Sketch the following. I don't know why he has given only 2 marks. Okay, I thought it's 10 marks. Okay. Sketch the signal. I think I did it. Sketch the following. Y of t is equal to 2 marks question. Y of t is equal to r of t plus 2 minus r of t plus 1 minus r of t minus 1 plus r of t minus 2. For this one, only 2 marks is very simple. Starts from minus 2, increasing at somewhere minus 1. It plus 1 slope will become minus 1. Same kind of problem I did it. And 0. I think same problem only I did it. You can check it out. 1. At 1, there is a negative slope. Come down. And at 2 plus slope minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. That's it. 2 marks for this. It is there in my notes. You can check it out. Same problem I did it. Okay, right. And this one also. This also came from my notes. One more problem. For the signal shown in the figure, find the total energy. And the marks allocated for this one is 8 marks. Find the energy of the signal. You can try. I did this kind of problem. You can verify that. Find the energy of the signal. 0, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 4, 5. Find the energy of the signal. It might be there in my notes. Notes it is solved, I think, in my notes. You can check it out. Or in the class also you can verify. 1 minute. Yeah. Problem number 55. You can refer. It is came from my notes only. Problem number 55. Refer. The answer you will get it as 26 by 3. Okay, you can verify it. This problem is came from my notes only. Okay. Now Go for one. That's all about the 2020 paper. Now I'll move on to one more problem. Uh, all problems are similar only. This January 2020 old scheme. Same problems are there. Nothing new in this problem. All of them. Okay. Let's see. So July 19. Okay, this is the problem what I did in my notes. Now, same kind. Expressive 7 marks question. July 2019. And the question is something like this. And it -1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 3, 4. This is -3, -4. The signal is ranging from -1 to +1. Similar kind of problem. Can try out. So this is a 7 marks question. Express x of t in terms of g of t. You can try this problem. And one more problem. It is this also I did it similar kind, almost 99% it's same, or it may be same problem. Check it out. If you want, I'll give you that which problem is that number also I'll give it. Sorry. This is 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, +1, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. 0, -1. This is -1, +1. Find out x of 2t into y of half t plus 1. Find out this. And this question is for 8 marks from July 2019. July 2019. Okay. This is also similar to the problem what I did it. I'll give you the reference number. Okay. Yeah. This is similar to the problem number 90. Refer 9, problem number 90. There I did y of 2t plus 1. Here it is half t as well. Other than that, it is same. Okay. You can refer to my notes. It is available. Okay, right. And sketch the waveform. He has given something like this. It's for 4 marks. 4 marks. Sketch u of t plus 1. X of t is equal to u of t plus 1 minus 2 u of t plus u of t minus 1. 4 marks he has asked this question. If they are asking for 4 marks, you can sketch all of them. At the end, you can show it like this. Because he has given for 4 marks, no? Start, see, we know the answer. First, you start from this one. -1 to infinity. And u of -2 u of t. -2 u of t. U of t means what? 0. This is 0. At 0, its amplitude should be -2. This is -2 u of t. This is u of t plus 1. U of t minus 1 is from starting from 1. 1 to infinity, its value is this is u of t minus 1. Okay, right. Answer is, see, my shortcut also you can use it, or you see this. I can add this one. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1. So you will get 1. Now, what is that we have? 0 plus minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So therefore, you will get it as minus 1. Now, plus 1. After this one, plus 1, minus 2, plus 1. So therefore, it becomes 0. That's it. Okay, right? So this is 0, minus 1, plus 1. So 4 marks question, this is exactly. On the other hand, minus 1, u of t plus 1 means what? Minus 1 go up by 1 unit. At 0 come down by 2 units. And at 1 up by 1 unit. That's it. You will get it. So that is a 4 marks question in the examination. Okay. Try this kind of problems. And all of them came from my notes. Same kind of problems we have. Okay, right. This also is asked. Same kind of problem I did it. Integration from minus a to plus a x of t dt is equal to 2 times integration from 0 to a x of t dt if x of t is even. X of t is even. Proof is asking. And integration from minus a to plus a x of t dt is equal to 0 if x of t is odd. And this question was asked for 6 marks. This also I did it, similar kind of problem. You can verify that. In my notes, it was here. It's not there. In the Xerox notes, you can check it out. In the class notes, I don't have that. I did in the class itself. I don't have online class notes. So this problem is, I think, very beginning only I did it. You can verify. Yeah, problem number 12 in my Xerox notes. It is problem number 12. 12. Yeah, 12 and 13. Problem number 12 and 13. You can try out this. Same problem. Problem number 12 and 13 is the reference. It is 6 marks question. Check it in my notes. This also came from my notes only. Okay. So like this, we can solve any number of problems. So this completes problems for module 1, and you can check out the problems in the different examination. If you feel like today I'll try to share the question paper, word question papers also. If you feel like any of the problems or any of the questions, if you are unable to do it, then I'll solve it in the next class. You can mention me or you can send me the photograph. This or this one I have not done it. You can't do it unless it is a different, similar kind. I'll do it. Okay. And it has observed that some of the students are not attending classes. It may be difficult for you to in the because the examination is offline. So we have seen the results of the higher semester now, and the result is very low because you are not serious about online classes. If you're not serious about online classes, then it will be difficult. You may not be able to clear the subject in the later stages. This will affect in the later on placements. Therefore, tell all your friends and you attend the classes regularly. If you're finding it difficult, you can message me, send me the photo of sir, this one we are not done. Explain this one, I'll explain, no problem. Okay? I will continue in the next class.